Hello, good evening. 18th Wednesday. After many years, sorry, after many hours of trial and errors, I finally got my KivyMD successfully compiled to APK, and that is the whole world gonna make. It is very simple program, and the KB file it just shows an empty label with the position of the center, size 10, and with the text color that is the markup for the font, and everything according to the latest KivyMD method. Okay, now for doing that, I have that is the project file. I've already the Buildozer, and I showed you my Buildozer spec. Using Buildozer init, I got a spec. The original spec is here, and I back it up and I modify that the modification made the title and the package name, and change the requirements. That is important. I get a Kivy version number, KivyMD, and that is very important. We have to specify also the pillow. Initially, I didn't specify that, and it run into error. So you have to do that. The other modification, the entry point, and here the logcat also important. Otherwise, you don't know where the errors are. And then, okay, that is the only modification made. And then, yeah, that is, I split up the main with the KV utilities. In that, I put a hello world. It's here. I load the KV file, and then with the theme color, etc. according to KivyMD. Okay, then after everything is set, we run this command. You can clean it. Okay, you can run clean. Yep, but it will take a lot of time, so I can do this. Buildozer Android debug deploy. And then the app after building will push into my mobile phone. It will take some time. That APK is now done, and now my phone will show the app. And the bin is here. Hello world in the bin, and I get APK, and I can test it using this website, Active Whiteboard, and I upload this here. And after upload, you can choose the Android phone. I choose Pixel. Okay, load it. Yeah, it worked, and that is a very nice KivyMD. Okay, the material design, and much better than the original Kivy. and all the coloring according to the theme color, and that's according to the material design. Okay, that's it, and thank you for watching. Bye.